The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado SS is finally here, bringing a perfect blend of power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology to the performance truck market. Chevrolet has given the Silverado the Super Sport SS treatment, making it a true street beast with a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 under the hood. This powerhouse delivers 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful production trucks ever. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and advanced all-wheel drive, the Silverado SS launches from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.9 seconds, putting it in supercar territory. Chevrolet has also fine-tuned the suspension, added adaptive dampers, and equipped it with massive Brembo brakes, ensuring that it doesn't just go fast but also handles like a dream. One look at the Silverado SS, and it's clear that this isn't an ordinary pickup. The truck features a wide-body stance, a blacked-out grille, and quad exhaust tips, all contributing to its aggressive street presence. The aerodynamic hood vents serve both aesthetic and functional purposes, helping with cooling during high-performance driving. The LED headlights have a sharper design, while the flared wheel arches house 22-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. The SS badging on the front grille, tailgate, and fenders reminds everyone that this truck is built for speed and dominance. Inside, the Silverado SS delivers a luxurious yet sporty experience. The cabin is fitted with black leather seats with red contrast stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and carbon fiber trim, giving it a performance-inspired feel. The digital cockpit is centered around a 12.3-inch driver display and a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen, both featuring Chevy's latest UI with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Google integration. A Bose premium sound system, wireless charging, and heated and ventilated bucket seats add to the high-end experience. The driver-focused layout makes it feel like a muscle car on the inside, perfectly complementing its high-performance nature. Chevrolet has packed the Silverado SS with the latest in automotive technology. A performance heads-up display projects speed, RPM, and navigation onto the windshield, keeping the driver informed without distractions. The launch control system, adaptive cruise control, and drive mode selector offer different settings for track, sport, off-road, and comfort modes. Chevy's Super Cruise hands-free driving system is also available, making highway driving more effortless than ever. Safety features include automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring a secure and confident drive. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado SS is expected to start at $75,000, with fully loaded versions reaching around $90,000. This puts it in direct competition with the Ram 1500 TRX, 702 horsepower, and the Ford F-150 Raptor R, 700 horsepower. While those trucks are built for off-road dominance, the Silverado SS is all about street performance, making it the ultimate muscle truck for urban roads. The price may seem high, but considering its supercar-level acceleration, luxury interior, and cutting-edge features, it offers serious value for performance enthusiasts. The 2025 Silverado SS is more than just a truck, it's a statement. With its supercharged V8, lightning-fast acceleration, aggressive styling, and premium tech, this is the Silverado that enthusiasts have been waiting for. Chevrolet has delivered a high-performance truck that turns heads and dominates the road, proving that muscle trucks are here to stay. Would you take the Silverado SS over the Raptor R or TRX? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Igniters for more insane vehicle content.